Hello again. This is Kevin Tate with Learn to Trade with the Learn to Trade channel. Um, I'd like to do a little introduction on for some of the refrigeration students or technicians that we have out there. There's a lot of technicians that are out doing different forms of field service. Um, in the industry today. So I also wanted to go over stints that may be in trade schools or maybe taking some online trainings, just to explain to them a few of the things that they may come across or that they need to see if they can, go to the resource that I give them and build on their training, acquiring their EPA certification, which is necessary in most of the fields today. They would require you to have your EPA certifications and stuff, um, which is not a bad thing, and it's required. Um, I'd like to, start with the four basic categories of technician certification. It's Type 1, Type 2, Type 3, and Universal. And each levels up higher as far as the equipment that you are allowed to work on according to EPA standards and the Section 608 of the Federal Clean Air Act. It requires that all persons who maintain, service, or repair and dispose of appliances that contain regulated refrigerants, that you be certified in the proper refrigerant handling techniques. Um, that Section 608, the Federal Clean Air Act, it was official as of November 14th, 1994, and it's still required. So what you start with is a lot of the technicians that are in schools right now or going to like Porter and Chester's or Lincoln Techs, depending on what state. There's other schools that provide it, but they'd be required to take a test and receive their certification. The Type 1 certification is a person who maintains or services or repairs small appliances must be certified as a Type 1 technician. And that's more so some of the smaller appliances, refrigerators, um, small coolers or freezers or anything like that. Type 2 is a person who services or repairs or disposes of high or very high pressure appliances, except small appliances and motor vehicle air conditioning systems. You must be certified as a Type 2 technician. Type 3 is a person who repairs or services, does service of low pressure appliances. They must be licensed, certified as a Type 3 technician. Now, the universal certification, that's a person who works on both low and high pressure equipment, as well as small appliances, and they must be certified as a universal technician. Um, these are some of the those are some of the main parts of why I'm doing this channel, is to provide people to the information that they need to acquire their certification if they're interested in that field. And let me just make clear that it's not necessarily that for people that are looking to get into um, uh, just general equipment repair, but it is a good thing to have the certification and have the knowledge, because that just gives you more leverage when you go to some of these companies for jobs, or if you're trying to go out on your own as a contractor, subcontractor. It would give you some leverage as far as how much you know and what you're certified to work on. But these small lessons that I put out there, they're not it's not intended for people that haven't gone through a formal type of training. You should go through a formal type of training, but this will help to give you that knowledge that you need in acquiring the certifications once you got the training out of the way. Or if you're doing like a thing where some places will hire you on and give you like on-the-job training, which is a good thing, and I know a lot of people that have done it, and you should, take advantage of that. But in lieu of that, you can also get some of these study materials, so that you can at the same time acquire the certifications while you're doing your on-the-job training. So I hope that's clear. Let me tell you a little bit more about Learn a Trade. Like I said, it's primarily to help existing technicians in the field with possibly some troubleshooting tips on certain equipment, which I will get into in later videos. But for now, I'm just giving some of the basics to let people know what they will need, and it's mainly for those people that are looking to get into the field of refrigeration repair or commercial equipment repair. So I hope this helps, and it's just I had a few things today that I wanted to present to you. There's one manual that I found that was very helpful in being able to study for the EPA certification and learning more about the different refrigeration systems and how they work. And it's the ESCO Institute. They're located in Illinois, but it's ESCO Institute. Again, that's ESCO Institute, and you could go to their website, which is ESCOINST.com, and you can go on there and acquire the manual to the study guide, rather, to be able to study to take your EPA certification. And another thing is that the manual is very good because they give you all the information that you need, and they section it off, and then once you get complete with a section, you can do a self-test, which is a very good thing too. The self-test always helps. Another resource is RSES. That's RSES, the HVAC Training Authority. They have individual memberships and they have student memberships, and you would be able to go on their website, which is www.rses.org. Again, they're nonprofit. They work strictly off of their membership dues, and they provide you with a lot of the resources that you need as far as the refrigeration field goes, and you'll find it very beneficial to look into that. Again, that website is www.rses.org, and you can go on there and get the individual membership application, and you can apply. I think by now they have a online application. If not, you can print out the application and then send it in to them or email it into them, which you'll see their email links once you go to the site. And they're a very good resource also. So that's all I had for now for this video. I just wanted to share this information with you. And again, if you have any questions or comments or any information that you'd like to share or you would like me to share on this channel, feel free to email me at learnatrade4u@gmail.com. That's learnatrade, the number 4, the letter U, @gmail.com. And again, I hope this is a help, and I hope you continue to watch my channel, and I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you. Stay blessed.